owner of this fish tank was just about to give up, put it in the bin and forget about it. So we helped him turn it into something that looks more like this. The best part is it only took us 60 minutes. If you're struggling with your fish tank, if you're over maintenance or you're just about to give up, then this video is for you. In 60 minutes you can have a fish tank that looks completely different and requires minimum maintenance. We started by removing some of the decorations and damaged plants out of the fish tank. That was a step one. Next, we wanted to empty that tank or get most of the water down to about 3/4 of the way. We left the fish in there and a couple of bigger decorations. Next step was to prepare, clean and wash some sand we were gonna use as a substrate. We left the gravel in there. We're gonna use the sand just to give it a good cover. This is gonna help with keeping nutrients in the substrate below the sand and not in the water column, causing algae blooms. Sand needs to be washed quite a few times before it can be used in your fish tank. Once the sand is clean and washed, it's ready to go into the fish tank. So we just started putting it bit by bit over the gravel, as you can see here. Now the secret here is to get sand twice as thick as your gravel bed. This is gonna help you ensure that you have a sand cover over your gravel once the sand and gravel mix. Now the next step is to get some plants and get them into your fish tank. This is another step that's gonna help with the algae, that's gonna help with your water quality, and it's gonna help you minimize maintenance in your fish tank. As you can see here, we got some plants that we trimmed in our own fish tank and put them in the fish tank. Now, it's gonna take a few weeks or even months, but once this is grown in, I believe this fish tank would probably need minimal, if any, maintenance at all. If you're still here watching this video and hopefully enjoying it, we would really appreciate if you could click that subscribe button for us. This is about 7 days later, and as you can see, the fish tank is looking better and better each and every day. The plants are growing great. The fish look happier than they did in a very, very long time. The best thing is, 7 days later, there's no algae. They didn't have to do a single water change or any maintenance on this fish tank for the first time in a very long time. As you can see, the sand and the substrate look absolutely great. It has completely transformed that fish tank. The plants absolutely love it. Honestly, I'm a little bit surprised how well the plants are doing. They're getting the color back. Even the reds are starting to come in. You can clearly notice new growth. So far, the things are looking absolutely amazing. And the owner of this fish tank is a happy fish keeper again. If you want to know more about benefits of the sand, benefits of the substrate, benefits of the plants, or just how to get your fish tank healthier and better, then click on the video on the screen. Thanks again and see you next time.